Welcome to the Surfstainable project, a groundbreaking initiative harnessing the power of surfers to fight climate change. This project is born from the conviction that surfing is not just a sport, but a lifestyle that carries with it a profound respect and desire to preserve the very heart of our passion, our oceans. As the first milestone in our venture, we've created Mira, an innovative chip that integrates into surfing gear. Imagine wetsuits and grips evolving into an advanced tool for environmental conservation. Mira measures sea temperatures, providing crucial data to scientists studying climate change. Our vision doesn't stop there. We aim to expand its capabilities, transforming every water sport gear into a data collection powerhouse. This project is more than just data collection. It's about inspiring global citizens through the captivating world and lifestyle of surfing. We're leveraging the influence of renowned surfers and sustainability advocates to create powerful audiovisual content, saving our oceans. Together, we can turn the tide on climate change. Join the Surfstainable project, and let's make waves in the fight for a healthier planet.